everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use niacinamide with retinol, vitamin C, very controversial, and with the AHA and BHA, all of that. I've already shared with you one video, like last one, in which I talked about how can you divide your days, like 7 days of the week, in such a way that you use all of these ingredients together, and that one you can use as the reference. Today's video is just about like how can you use niacinamide in with that if you really want it. So number one, we'll go step by step. First we'll talk about retinol. So if I talk about retinol, it is something, you know, which is kind of harsh in a way that it makes your skin sensitive, it makes it irritated, and retinol is something which delivers results in a longer term. It's like an investment for your skin, and a lot of people even give up on retinoids and retinol because they don't work for them. They cause a lot of dryness, irritation and peeling, all of that. So now when I talk about niacinamide, it is one of those ingredients which helps in especially, you know, strengthening up your skin barrier. So if you are feeling that my skin barrier is damaged, and I totally understand, because I'm also one of those who has experimented so much on my skin. One more thing that I have observed is that when you start incorporating niacinamide, the other products, especially the treatment product that you have been using, they work better, because niacinamide heals your skin barrier, and when your skin barrier is healthy, it actually performs and it accepts whatever is being given onto it better. Just imagine, one side you have this ingredient that's gonna heal your skin if you have irritation on your skin, and one side you have this ingredient which is going to increase the cell turnover. So when you use both of them together, like niacinamide and retinol together, they work like magic. I love this combination. Now is the question, how to use the retinol serum and niacinamide together. So all you have to do, wash your face with mild cleanser. After that you apply niacinamide serum, and the one that I shared with you last time, it does even have hyaluronic acid and everything, you know, mectins are there. So after that you apply your retinol serum. That is the one I'm using here is Eclat. You can use ordinary, you can use any retinol serum, and still if you feel that your skin is dry, you need a little bit of moisturization, you use any moisturizer after that, like give some gap in between, and then you're all set. If you are watching me first time and if you're not aware about the giveaway that is running on my channel, it is about that I'm gonna give 4 people 2500 worth of cash to each one, like 10k giveaway. So if you haven't still enrolled, do subscribe, do share my videos, do follow me on Instagram so that you become eligible for that giveaway. Okay, now moving on to second one, which is the AHA and BHA. So if you are using these, and I know a lot of hype is all about chemical exfoliation these days, so if you are using that, any of the exfoliations, then should you use niacinamide with that? What happens is, when you use acids, the pH goes to around 3 or 3.5 or so. But on the other side, niacinamide is something which works around 7 pH, and it's going to reduce the effectiveness of the acid that you have applied. So I would say that day when you are incorporating AHA and BHA, stay away from niacinamide, don't use it that day. Just apply a normal, you know, hyaluronic acid you can apply after that, and then just apply a good moisturizer, but don't apply niacinamide or vitamin C's on those days. Now we talk about using vitamin C and niacinamide together. My personal opinion that I tried this thing, because I've been seeing these articles that are coming lately that you can incorporate them together, and I was like, really? So let me give it a try, and I tried it. Honestly, because I have sensitive skin, it did not go well for me. I had to do a lot of effort to actually calm down my skin, so I would recommend that. So what you can do is, you can either alternate between those two. You can use in the mornings, one morning you use niacinamide, the other vitamin C, or maybe at night time. Only the day when you won't be using niacinamide would be when you are using AHA and BHA. Rest of the days you can use niacinamide at night time, right? If you are using retinol, you can use. If you are using any other special treatments, then also niacinamide goes very well with most of the products except vitamin C and AHA also I wouldn't recommend. So niacinamide improves the effectiveness of the other things that you are using around it. So I would highly recommend that you start using niacinamide, and the one that I shared with you, which has 4 to 5%, would be very good for beginners, and overall it has hyaluronic acid and everything else also. So I hope this video answered your questions regarding vitamin C and niacinamide, because a lot of you are asking me this question. And if you did like it, do like the video, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.